attended that last Zoom class. In that last Zoom class, we already had done chapter number 3. Chapter number 3 we already completed. Am I right? On the behalf of you, I am also giving the answers. So, and I told you that when we will meet in the next class, we will do the exercise. So, everybody is ready with the EVS book and notebook. Hope you all are waiting for the EVS class and you all are ready with your EVS book and notebook. So, dear students, let's start writing the writing part of the chapter. So, yes, chapter number 3. Chapter number 3. And what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is clothes. Okay? And what you will write? Your heading is new words. Your heading is new words. Right? So, mention this heading new words is in your notebook. Okay? Whatever new word we read out in this chapter, all those new words we are going to write once again over here. Okay, so everybody is ready with the EVS notebook, and keep one thing is in your mind that your handwriting should be neat, clean and beautiful, because last 1 year most of the students lost your handwriting work. Most you completely you destroyed your handwriting. Okay, so this time pay attention towards your studies and improve your handwriting part also. Okay, so shall I start? Everybody is ready? Okay, so your first word number first. Dressing habit. Number 1. Dressing habit. I told you previously that everybody is adopting the habits from their families, like food habit, dressing habit, own culture, own traditional, own rules and regulations. Everybody is following. So as like that, this dressing habits also is followed by your parents and it will inculcate in you also. Okay? ऐसा होता है ना कि अगर आपके घर में जैसे पूजा पाठ आपकी दादी करती हैं, सेम टू सेम आपकी मम्मा भी फॉलो करती हैं. So as like that, this dressing habits also we all are following, right? So this is number 1. Note down this in your notebook with good handwriting. Let's see number 2. Saris, because sari is the common outfit for women in India, and all Indian women can identify. See, when we will go in the foreign countries, and I am wearing the sari, so everybody can identify me. Yes, she is an Indian woman. Why? Because she wore the sari. So sari is not only the common outfit for women in India, but this is the identity of a Indian woman. This is the identity of a Indian woman also. Okay, that is the reason I mentioned sari over here. So note down sari. Then number 3, salwar kameez. All the names of the outfit of woman, salwar kameez. Okay, with dupatta. Salwar kameez with dupatta, because without dupatta we all women are not wearing the salwar kurti. Okay. Now then, ghagra kurta. घाघरा कुर्ता with ओढ़नी. Okay, and then trousers and skirts also. Most of the women are wearing this outfit also. Trousers and skirt. Okay, and of course for man, dhoti and kurta also, right? Dhoti kurta, dhoti kurta with pajama. Okay, so these are the 6 new words. Number 7 I am writing over here. Hope you can see it nicely. Then achkan. Number 8 is vesti. In Tamil Nadu, fans of wearing lungi, and that lungi is not called as lungi. That lungi is called vesti in Tamil Nadu, right? So note down vesti over here. Number 9, fairan. Because fairan is the outfit which Kashmiri man and woman both are wearing. That is a kind of long loose coat. Both the man and woman are wearing this. Then headwear. Number 10 is headwear. Number 11 is turban. Number 11 is turban. And number 12 is embroidery. Beautiful embroidery. Beautiful embroidery. Number 13, tribes. Tribes means, in Hindi we can call it Janjati. Tribes means, in Hindi we can call it Janjati. Okay? And then okay, now these are the new words. This is enough in this chapter. Number 1, once again I am reading for you. Take the screenshot, otherwise pause the screen and write down. Number 1, dressing habit. Number 2, sari. Number 3, salwar kameez with dupatta. Number 4, ghagra kurta with oढ़नी. Number 5, trouser and skirts. धोती kurta pajama, achkan, vesti, fehran, headwear and turban. Beautiful embroidery, embroidery. And tribes. Tribes means a kind of janjati. In Hindi we can call it. So this is your new words of the chapter. Okay. Now take out page number 22. Take out page number 22 and take the correct option. Exercise number A. Take the correct option. कॉपी में लिखना है आपको ये. Note down in your notebook. Take the correct option. Okay, number one, the most common dresses of Indian women is number one. The most question you can note down from your book also. The most common dress of India of Indian women is the what? Frock, sari or skirt. So option B is the right answer. Sari. Option B is the right answer. Sari. Okay. Now number 2. Mandu blouse is common dress of women in Mandu blouse is the common dress of women in which state? Kerala, Rajasthan or Haryana. So option A is the right answer. Kerala. Option A is the right answer. Kerala. Number 3. There is no place to write down number 3 over here. So, hope you have taken out the screenshot. I am not in front of the board. Take the screenshot. Hope you have done it. Now, I am going to rub it. Let's write number 3. क्वेश्चन आप अपनी बुक में से भी देख सकते हैं. In Tamil Nadu, the lungi is called what? In Tamil Nadu, lungi is called vesti. Okay. So this is your, take the correct option. Take the screenshot. I am not in front of the board. Then we will do the true false. बेटा ये सारी एक्सरसाइज कॉपी में करनी है क्योंकि आपका एमसीक्यू ट्रू फॉल्स और फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आपके एग्जाम में ये सारे पैटर्न ही आते हैं. ठीक है. Okay. Now it's time to do true and false. Hope everybody will write in the copy and learn also. लिखेंगे भी और याद भी करेंगे. Hope you will do, or you all will do, because you all are very nice students of class 3 and I know you since UKG. Yes. Now exercise number B, true false. True and false. Okay, so let's write number 1. Clothes make us look smart and decent. Question you can note down from your book also. Yes, clothes looks us make smart and decent. Clothes हमें true. This is true. Okay. Number 2. Salwar kameez is a popular dress of men. Yes, this statement is also wrong. Salwar kameez is very popular for women, not for men. ठीक है. So this statement is false. Note down false in front of the statement. Number 3. People of Punjab wear colorful turbans. Yes, all the Punjabi pupils are wearing colorful turbans, which we can call it pagdi in Hindi. All the sardars are wearing colorful pagdis. This is true. Now, number 4. People of Gujarat. People of Gujarat cover their children wear uniform in school. Yes, true. All the children are wearing uniform in school. This statement is also true. Okay. So take the screenshot, otherwise pause the screen, and this is enough writing work for today's class. When we will meet in the next class, that time you will write down, fill in the blanks and question and answer in the copy. आपको सारे true false, सारे tick the correct option और new words, fill in the blanks, question answer सारी exercise copy में लिखना है. This year it will not be work that आप सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर करोगे बाकी नहीं करोगे. No, it will not work this year. This year you have to write each and every exercises in your notebook, and it is very compulsory to you all to write each and every exercise is in your notebook. Okay, so this writing work is enough for you. When we will meet in the next class, fill in the blanks, question answers and some more exercise part we will solve, we will do it. Okay, so till then, bye bye, have a nice day. God bless you, take care of yourself and pay attention towards your studies and pay attention towards your learning part. Right, reading is not enough. Rather than reading, you have to learn something more. Okay, रीडिंग और लर्निंग दोनों ही करनी है. ऐसा नहीं कि कॉपी में लिख लिया याद नहीं किया. नो, बोथ द थिंग्स विल गो साइमल्टेनियसली. ठीक है. सो इट्स टाइम टू से बाय बाय फ्रॉम माय साइड. बाय बाय.